Deep in the forest, there were two fighting cocks. They were fighting to find the winner and who would become the leader. They fought hard and long until one of them won. The defeated rooster flew away and hid himself in a quiet corner of the forest. The winner, however, flies to the top of the tallest tree to let every animal in the forest know he was the winner. An eagle that was flying nearby heard the sound, so he swooped down towards the winning rooster and grabbed him with his razor-sharp claws and flew away. The defeated rooster who had been hiding in the forest was safe from the eagle and lived a long, good life.